Alright, so today we're going to go over the settings and I'm going to talk about what each setting does. You can change it to your desire and go from there. Okay, so once you have added the trading platform, you'll see Apex Pro here. When you click on it, it should refresh a list of coins that you'll be able to trade on. And I just stick with BTC. You can do whatever you like. You can select the type of order you want to do, limit or market. The offset from price is wherever the price is, it'll place the order 1% away from the current price. So let's say right here it's at 67,000. It's going to place it at $670 less with down or $670 above. So it'll probably be a gap of that much right here. That's all 1% gaps. So it'll probably place it around 67,750 and the other one maybe 66,289, okay, from the current price. And the number of quantity of orders you want to bar, enter the size of the order. So for this one here, your minimum size is 0.001 BTC, and each 0.001 BTC is worth about $67 as of the current price. And so based on that, you can put, you want three of those or four of those, so that'll be about 150, $180. But it's in terms of the coin quantity. Okay. The number of orders, 10 orders, it'll place 10 orders above and below, like that, 10 orders above, and it should place 10 orders below. But I have a setting that keeps it from doing that once I've exceeded a certain amount of available margin that I've used up, so I don't use up the whole thing. Okay, so this here, 25%, it will use up 25% of your wallet to create those 10 rungs up or down for entry. Okay, depending on if you set long or short. And then once it's in a position, it will sell. Here I have 80% of my position, so I never leave my position. If you want to leave the position completely, you put 1. It'll exit 100% of the position if it sells all 10 of these orders. Okay, so it'll distribute it that way. So you basically auto calculates all those positions and the quantity for that for entering and exiting. Okay, so I always want to enter 25% of wallet. After another 6 hours or so, it'll recreate the rungs, which is what this auto run bias does. I can go long on it and it will refresh those rungs up and down every 6 hours. This needs to be checked for this option to be on, and if it somehow fills my order greater than 50% of my wallet, which is right there, then I will stop entering. Okay, and if I want to auto force it to refresh the rungs up and down, I can push this button and then it'll refresh the rungs up and down. Okay, based on all these settings. No. So now if you want to actually manually just hit a buy order or sell order and create those 10 rungs in the buy direction or sell direction, then auto update the price for you if you click that. Otherwise it'll just place it wherever you enter the price, and then it'll auto clean the orders if you have this checked, and then it'll make sure that it places it in profit. So if for placing profit, let's say you are currently in a losing position right now. So if I click on buy, I will not be able to. Actually, if I click on sell right now, I am not going to place the order right 1% above here because that'll be not in profit. So this option for place it in profit will always place it above the profit line, so that I only take profit and not lose by filling this order. Okay, so it's always going to be above this position here. If you DCA in and this shifts down and you refresh it, it'll then replace it and place those sell orders right above where the new profit line becomes. Okay. Alright, so all the while we're just gonna wait and wait and wait until it pops back up, and that's when we're gonna take profit. Otherwise, we're not gonna worry so much about liquidations. When it can go all the way down to zero if it needs to, but all the while we can then continue to add to our positions. We can buy more wrap BTC. We can add more here. If we want to enter more here, we could either add more margin so that it has time to, or if it goes below this threshold, it'll then place more orders to DC more down. Or you could remove that and it'll start trading and adding more positions as it comes down to try to get this profit line down, and then get back into action and start taking profit on the sideways action. Okay. Alright, so that's what I have for now. The reason why I I have this for my own personal reasons because I don't want to spend all of it. This is kind of like my checking account here, so I can use that to pay bills, buy groceries or whatever, and not be all locked up into a position that I'm stuck in, and whatnot. So as income comes in, I will be able to add to that and kind of use it as my place to store funds and whatnot. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching. Talk to you then.